Hello everyone, now we'll start making our 3D building plan. And before we start, first we will copy our building plans from here. We don't need them actually. Somewhere here. Okay, and we'll work here, and we don't need also. We don't first go to top view so that it could be easier for us to make selection. Delete these dimensions, we don't need them in 3D. Also these lines, these things, erase everything. Also delete this first floor, as we need to make first floor later. Delete everything. Now it is cleaned up. We'll first make a layer called 3D walls. 3D walls. Now choose a color. Okay. Now we are in 0 layer. Now go to AC isometric. By making this whole process, you need to save this drawing different time. Automatically AutoCAD saves it, but you need to save it. To save this, go here and click on save. It will automatically save this drawing to your save point which you have created previously. Okay, or otherwise you can type Q and save, enter. Please, that will do the same also. Okay, so to start in, we will make a different save file to work in 3D, because we have already created 3-4 drawings, so it will make our pages heavy. So we don't want that, so we will save as drawing desktop and just rename this drawing as building drawing 3D. Save it. Now we are in building project 3D, which we have already created desktop. And what we do here, we don't actually need these drawings in here, so we will delete everything. Okay, like this. Now we will only work here and here. First, before you start, we need to make a polyline to extrude. So go to the top view and take polyline command, PL, enter. We'll start it from here. As you can see, we are working on now on 0 layer. And we need to take the reference point and connect this line with this. Press enter. In 3D AutoCAD, you need to select this one or turn on this selection cycling. Turn on. by selecting this, when we draw too much objects in between and we have to select one object from there, it will be very difficult. So if we turn on this, it will give you an option every time if you want to select any object, like this. Now if you select here, it will give you two options. Like there are two lines, one is normal line that we created previously to draw a 2D line, and that is polyline. We need that polyline, so select polyline. Okay, and give an offset of 10 inches. That is our wall thickness that is inside. Okay, now it has been created like this. So what we do right now, we will take a copy of this polyline and put it somewhere here. Actually we will need these drawings actually in future, so just make ortho here, everywhere. Okay, now we will go to our southeast isometric view and start building our walls. To make our wall, first use extrude command. Click here, select that polyline, also click between, select that polyline, press spacebar or enter and give a direction. Our float to float height is 10 feet. Okay, now we need to subtract that inner portion. So to do that, use subtract command, select that object 3D solid, press spacebar and select that inside object, and just like this. Now our outer wall has been created. We need to now make our inner layers. Okay. To make our inner layer, we will do something else. As you can see, now I'm rotating by holding my shift key and middle mouse button. What we do here, we will use boundary command. Type boundary. So it will ask you to pick some points. Click here and click in between, right? And also this. Okay, for some reason this is not being selected. This has been created. Press enter. We need to delete these things. Also we don't need this door layer actually, so we will just turn off these door layers. Okay, this is how you can delete your layers. Just this. Now take boundary command again. Select in between points. Okay. So one minute and press enter to come out. Okay. Now we will extrude this. Select that polyline. Also here, select that polyline. Select that polyline. Here also, I need to select that boundary polyline like this. Okay. Press spacebar and give the direction 10 feet distance. Okay. Now our wall has been created in a row. Now we need to put this in our 3D wall layer. So select this. So and put it in wall layer, 3D walls like this. Okay. Our first floor wall layer has been created. Thanks for watching guys. In next video we will learn how to make openings for door and windows.